Nagalang jong iupat ba ngi iba kata gajing pun baik pun jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka Shillong tang ha ka teori om ha ka praktikal.
Kipat ba nongshong Shillong joka Maikhuli ke bahap haka jirang constituency Ribhoi district mentarasngi kilami ipat ba biang sasisin ban Pyrshah jor ya ka jingshimra joka Sorkar Meghalaya ban pynhap no ya ka pung Dohkha joka Shillong Maikhuli syaka jela Assam. Nalor kipat ba nongshong Shillong ka Maikhuli lawan ban ya ajing kershan lang daki kunhon seng bhalang baper kentup ya ka Meghalaya People Social Organization Hinyotrap Achik National Movement Garo Students Union All Ribhoi Garo Mahila Association All Guwahati Achik Student Association.
This fishery pond is not Maumari bill. So this fishery pond will not go at all to Assam. We should fight and we should stand up from now. We should not sleep and we will fight for our own land and we will not give it away to anyone to Assam. And one thing I want to tell you, they have kept a settlement that give and take policy, isn't it? Yes or no? Give and take policy बोल दिया. लेकिन कहाँ असम लोग हमको दे दिया? थोड़ा जगह भी नहीं दिया. Is it? Yes or no? हाँ हाँ नहीं दिया थोड़ा भी. लेकिन उन लोग को असम गवर्नमेंट जिनके ये हम लोग का जगह सब ले लिया. कहाँ गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी यहाँ में नहीं है. So we should understand. We should stand united. I request you to stand united, to stand together and fight for our own right.
Nagalang jong iupat ba ngi iba kata gajing pun baik pun jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka Shillong tang ha ka teori om ha ka praktikal. Namar Shibun ki jaka jong ka Meghalaya kila lait no sya Assam. Ni Sokhya ka mensim habang yoi ya ki khun ki hajar jong ka briu hanyo trap ki basong basa sya ki border area ki kendu ya ka jinge ki longlang kenyamaki haba yoi ya ka nage jing pun baik put ikerpat sya ka Sorkar badan buram bah kidai ban penkelano ya ka nage MOU haka bayadai bat ka nage border area namar yoi ba ki jaka ki jongi ki lalai no sya Assam kabang isau khiabat kaba isau si kalong ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya haba ka sanya ka MOU kam syamla buram ya ka district council kam syamla buram ya kisim kam syamla buram ya ki rangba Shillong ki badai sya ki border area haga jing sisa haswa ba kini apan baik ya ki jaka khaput ki ladai ban ya apan baik bat ki sodar Shillong kisim ki sodar Shillong bat ka district council khadang bakila bantip ya ka jing sisa ha ka bayadai bat ka khandau ka syap jongi ka Meghalaya.
I will develop. Where is the development now? Straightforward, no? To those local MLA from Jirang constituency. Where is the development? Pano development ka? Where? Jirang, Patarkama, Banihat, or Maikhuli Yomkili? During border issue, where are you? Only during election time he will come. He will praise everyone.